सेट तो करने दे बस.
Sham, you can continue. You can start.
I am Ihtisham with my group members Mohammed Zain and Munib Zubair Khan. Next slide. Our proposed business idea, Darzi app, is a revolutionary service that aims to provide hassle-free service with on-time delivery. Darzi app is a tailoring service that provides hand-tailored fabric on a click of a button. With the help of technology and innovation, we will bring the tailor to the customer doorsteps with our new approach to this old age problem. Next slide. One of the biggest problems that Pakistanis are facing nowadays is the lack of professional tailors in the market. The lack of competition in the market has created a monopoly which the tailors market is enjoying. Our product will revolutionize this management structure in such a way that the customers will not have to worry about the countless times they have to visit the tailor to get their clothes stitched in the right way. Since everything will be in app, the customer will be able to contact us via an email or a phone call. What's even better is that once you are satisfied with the measurements taken, those measurements will be saved on your customer profile and will be set as a default measurements to the next time you order our service. Next slide. Vision statement. Our team vision is to couple innovation with technology to help the masses. For this purpose, the team attaches its comfort zones and boundaries to give the best to this business. By streamlining and digitizing the old age system in Pakistan, we place to empower more people and make life easy for the people. Next slide. The company is registered as Limited Liability Corporation with the following three shareholders: Munib Zubair with 50% share, Ihtisham Aqib with 30% shares, and Mohammed Zain with 20% shares. Next slide. Our whole team includes the following persons: Chief Executive Officer Munib Zubair, Chief Marketing Officer Ihtisham Aqib, Chief Financial Officer Mohammed Zain, Chief Technical Officer Naeem Akhtar, Human Resources and Admin Manager Usama Bashir, and a developer Ahmed Rafiq. Next slide. Now Mohammed Zain will discuss economic and cash flow assessments.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Zain, and from here I will continue. Now we check the financial health of the business. We can check it with the help of the income statement, flow statement, and balance sheet. First, we see income statement. Total revenues are 28 lakh in the year 2020, 48 lakh 41,000 in the year 2021. So here the breakdown of the expenses are given. So total expenses are 27 lakh 75,000 in the year 2020 and 31 lakh 93,000 in year 2021. So the total net profit is 6 lakh in the year 2020 and 61 and 16 lakh in year 2021. Next slide, please. So now we see the cash flow statement. So here's the cash flow statement of year 2021. Cash at the beginning of the year is 3,35,130. Breakdown of activities are given. So the total net cash flow from operations are 16,25,090. Similarly, net cash flow from investing activities are 6,90,000 and the net cash flow from financing activities are 10 lakh. So the total increase in cash is 13 lakh 15,920 and the cash at the end of the year is 16 lakh 51,040. Next slide, please. Now this is a balance sheet. Breakdown of assets and liabilities are given. Total current assets are 2,10,613. Total fixed assets are 3,40,000. So total assets are 7,71,373. Similarly, total liabilities are also given 1,45,620. Total shareholders' equity and liabilities are 11,45,000. Next slide, please. Now we see the marketing strategy. The women of Pakistan are our core target audience. Our app helps those women who are looking for an easy way to get traditional outfits stitched and delivered to them. The idea is to target as many as possible. Our marketing strategy primarily includes promotion by social media platforms, referral programs, email marketing, and networking. Since the brand is still in its infancy, so we plan to invest an effective but minimal amount on the marketing end. Next slide, please. So here our expansion program. Our first and foremost marketing objective is to gain recognition as much as we can by aggressive social media marketing. Using active brand presence on all social media platforms to increase customer engagement. For better reachability, we also plan to collaborate with various clothing brands in Pakistan who like to sell unstitched fabric but are unable to provide ready to wear clothing. Next slide, please. Damage control plan. For this, we have the plan to save our project. We can get our website advertised through famous YouTube channels, Instagram bloggers, and Facebook pages. We will donate the we will dominate the internet and place our ads on different sites. And lastly, we use customer referral incentive programs to save our project. So that's it. Now here, Mr. Munir will continue. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Zain. To make our startup successful, we need to have investors on board. So some investment incubators from where we can get investment are I2I Ventures, which invest in early stage technology, and we have Plan 9, which provides financial support and mentorship and also business planning to the new people, like we are students. They support students. And we have an international institute, which is Founder Institute, which is also working in Pakistan in collaboration with NIC. And also we have Plan X, which is working in specialized network of mentors and global exposure to establish high impact businesses. So we have visited their websites, and this is the website of I2I Ventures, and this is the website of Plan 9, in which we applied for our startup, which is the app. And also this is the the joining form of Founder Institute, where we applied for the app idea. So the plan for our initial capital is that we will plan to take investment from the platform of Plan 9, because it is easy to interact. It is near to our location, which is in Arpa Cream Tower, and it is also student friendly, as they provide mentorship and also provide other resources like investors. So as a sample project, we have made some milestones. For example, target marketing, then start a business services introduction, then we will do behavior analysis, then we'll do presentation to venture capitalists and angel investor, and we have some other legal stuff to do. And thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.